Yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, actually today I want to teach about Python. So let's start. So we start from what we want to generate password. So we are starting from the importing. We import what randomly because like for the password it's supposed to be random so that it's not easy to be guessed. So yes, that's what I type. We move to the next one. We import again. You see? So here we are importing. We are trying to import. So import. Yeah. So here you are importing the string. The string. Yeah, so strings are what letters. Letters we use in everything. Yeah, so that's actually the string that I'm talking about. So if you see the string, it means that's basically letters. So let's move on. As you are moving on, let's move on to hash. The hash means I want to actually make a note for you. I want to add something so that it's not always code for you to understand what actually I'm doing. So as you can see on the screen, so the asterisk I was talking about use of the password length. So I'm then trying to make a note for you to get what I'm doing. So ask the user password length. So you see more websites will require you like maybe 8 at the least. Yes. So I just want you to guess what I am doing right. So we move on to what actually we need to do. So now, as we have stated, ask user password. We move on to what? The length. That here we input a function. Now the function is what? The length. We are defining it. We are defining it. The length is equal to inst. The inst is means integer, but you can write it full. And the input function, so it's a combination of integer and input function. So you see, so after we open the brackets, we type enter, enter the password length. So we see, so maybe you like to use my 10 2016. You see, as most of the websites requires all the apps. So now let's move on to so now you have to do some works over here. So I'm trying to make a note for you again. So we bring the asterisk, which means to create a character spool. That's what you're going to do. To create what? A character spool. That is spool like what is about letters, numbers, figures, symbols, etc. What you can think about. So now we are starting with letters. So letter is equal to string. Remember, again I said what? Letters are what string basically. Letters are string. Letters are string. Yes, basically letters are always what? String. That's what we do. So the ASCII means the letters should be actually in a small uppercase letter or lowercase letter. Yes, it should be mixed. That's what you are trying to say. That's I'm bringing asterisk to make a note for you. So you see a small a and a to z, or a big a to the z. Yeah, that's what actually it means. Yeah. So let's move on. We can also move on to numbers. Yeah, that's what's numbers. Numbers actually have digits or figures, but here they hold digits. So we can say number equal to string digits, right? String digits, so means letters numbers, like yeah, they are numbers. Digits. Sorry, that's a spelling mistake. So let's continue. So now I think we should actually move on to symbols because we are done with numbers. Okay. Oh, remember, let me actually pull up with the asterisk, the note. So it's from 0 to 9. So you see. So this we are moving on to the symbol. The symbol, right? So symbols can be any symbol you can think of. Any symbol you think of. So you see, symbol is equal to a string punctuation. A string punctuation. You get me? A string punctuation. With a string punctuation can be like, let's say, a comma, a semicolon, a full stop, apostrophe, bracket, bracket open, bracket close, arrows, etc. So you see, that's what I'm coming to make. You can bring at, the dollar sign, exclamation, question mark, and the arrow correct, a dot. That's what I'm trying to show you over there. That's it. So let's move on. So now let's formulate a formula. Yes, let's formulate a formula. So all what you are trying to say, all characters, right? All characters. All characters is equal to letters. Sorry. It is letters, not length. So I'll actually clean it. Then put letters plus numbers plus symbols. Yes. Plus what? Symbols. That's the formula you are going to use to generate it. I think I should actually punctuate for you. I should actually punctuate for you. And also, sorry about my background. So, here is my note for you. The note for you over here is what? Generate. I got generate password. Generate password. Yeah, that's the note. So yeah, so let's move on. So here is when we input the formula, right? So you say the formula is on password to join. Yeah, so the password is to join random. So I say they should join random. Password they should join random. Yes, especially all the letters to join random. So the join, that's what it means. So this, we are actually defining it. Yeah, we are defining it. Yes. Sorry for this, but let me quickly swap into it. Okay, so this is how it came about. So as it's joined, we enter. Yes, we enter and we run the code. That's the password. So we are going to run the code. So yes, that's where we run it. So now we are going to key in. It says enter password length, maybe 20 as earlier sent. Most app require password. You see, at least 8 with uppercase and a special one, special letter. That's what I did over there. So we are going to enter the length. So maybe you can use 10, you can use 15. I'll use 20. I'll use 20. This 20. So now you see, that's what it generates. That's my password. So can you see? 1C bracket close Z underscore bracket open VZ5 E small e a bar P bracket open 5H3WD slash. If you count it, this is almost 20. Yes. So this is how we generate the password. So like, share, and follow for more tips like this, because Python computer language is now leading. So don't be behind, be with us, be in a queue with us, so you can explore the world. Remember to share, remember to subscribe. That is when I can do more for you. The next one will be what? Animation of rain. Animation of rain. So watch out for my animation of what. You can still check and follow, and also do your own. It's simple.